It's Tea Tuesday time, and we're doing another shout out for another great channel. And these are some beautiful items that my daughter got for me last year for Mother's Day and my birthday. And the beautiful artists that put these together, we're going to shout out today. Are they not beautiful? So many beautiful things she puts together, and she's such an artist of knowing exactly how to do it. So, sit down with your cup of tea and let's see what this wonderful person has put together and what my daughter has done also.
Here's another shout out, another one of Debbie's great friends that likes to do crafting and beautifully displayed items. Well, you want to tell her about this wonderful creator?
Sure. I like how my mom is behind the camera and keeps me in front of the camera.
That's the plan.
Uh-huh. Anyways, so there is a girl named Amber on Facebook, and she does go live every now and then, and her channel name is Candyland Avenue, and I brought it up so Mom can get in there. And she's on Facebook. I don't believe she's on YouTube, so you got to go to Facebook. But she is very, very creative. And she works with, oh no, I just forgot what it is. This is the, I don't know, some kind of clay. I can't think of what it is now, but it's a stiffer clay than the clay that I use. And so she makes all kinds of little characters like this. And this was a special order. And you know that me and my mom like Alice in Wonderland. And so I had her make this Alice for me. And I told her the different things that I wanted in my display. And she basically nailed it all. It's gorgeous. So as you can see, she's got her little eat me cookie. Look at her little, is it a petalum or the skirt or what do you call this?
I would call it a slip, but maybe it's something else. But it's all ruffled up so beautifully, and her outfit's so pretty.
And then look at her little ringlets in her hair.
There's just so much detail work. I love it.
And then you've got Mr. Rabbit, of course, with his little clock. Then you've got the little bottle that says, try me, the drink. And then you've got your talking flowers. She made it look like sunflowers because we like flowers. And then you got your little cards down here. And you got some more flowers. But it just the details alone. And then the mushrooms. You can't forget the mushrooms. So it's super cute. And I've had her make quite a few things. I made a couple for my mom for gifts. So she'll show that later on.
In the same video.
Mm-hmm. But look at even the little stripes on her stockings and her little shoes. So cute. So she makes these little things. They're display pieces. And like I said, you can either purchase from the items that she makes. Like she'll say, I'm going to make, let's just say, I don't know for instance, but let's just say she says, I'm going to make 10 Peter Rabbit displays. And then you can message her and purchase, or if she doesn't have any left, you could ask her if she could make you one, maybe a little bit different than one she made. But she does take special orders. Again, her name's Amber, and she does a lot of her lives on Facebook. And I can't remember the type of clay, but it's this little clay that you have to roll out. I don't know why I can't remember that clay, but she's able to just manipulate it a lot better in smaller details. Like if I try to do some of these things with the clay that I use, it would stick and it would just be a big mess. So, gosh, I can't remember.
I just can't believe how she does the clothes and the little skirts and the hair and
and even look at her eyes.
I know, her eyes just pop.
Yeah. And she has that smirk on her like, oh, I just took a bite of this cookie and I don't feel so good. Isn't that what it looks like? She's like, oh.
She's got her hand up next to her mouth. Afraid it might come out any minute.
So I just love it. And then, you know, of course, Mr. Rabbit, he's so cute. So.
And she even I'm going to bring it in closer so you can see it. Even like I said, the little cards, the little watch, and the little bottle, and it says, try me. Everything about it, the detail work is so wonderful. And now you can see the little smirk on her face better too, like, oh no, is it going to stay down or is it coming up? But, I mean, I just love it. And then, of course, those beautiful stockings, the red and white. And then, of course, what it's setting on is this black and white checkered, also at the base. She just works so hard. And then even the little rabbit has a little, I don't know if you'd call it a bow, but little thing around its neck. I don't know if it's called a scarf or if it's something else.
Oh, yeah, I don't know what that's called.
But it's so much detail work. and we just both love it so much. And like I said, I'm going to show a couple more here on the same video so you can see all the detail work she did for two of the ones that my daughter bought me for Mother's Day and for my birthday. Last year, wasn't it? You bought them?
Yeah, last year.
And I just love them.
So if you guys want to go and check her out, like I said, she's on Facebook. And we'll put her name in or we'll take a picture of her page so you can see it. But you just look her up. It's called Candyland Avenue, and she'll come up. And you can see all the different projects that she's done. The most recently one that my mom said that she liked was the Peter Rabbit one. So I'll show you real quick. So she made...
Yeah,
this one.
And what I liked, I have a lot of things to do with Peter Rabbit at my home also. And even if I don't get it in time for Easter, it really doesn't matter. I could still put something together. But I like the finish of the little rabbit, the little carrots right here. And I told her on my order I'd like to get a few more of these flowers put in the fence.
The purple ones.
Yeah, and I know what they are, and I can't think what the name is. I'm that pretty better than Debbie. And maybe put a couple over there purple. And look at how beautiful the ground is finished off. And it's just a beautiful piece, and I really, really like it. And like I said, I already have some Peter Rabbit things that I can put with it, so I make a great display.
Yeah, and she's just, I mean, she's really good. I mean, the things that she makes. Let me see. There's another one that I saw. This one's cute too. It's the carrot patch. And it's got a little bunny rabbit.
Yeah, it's super cute.
So if you're looking for something, an Easter display, you can go over there and see. Like I said, she usually makes like a number of them all at one time. But if she runs out, she can always make more. And like I said, she takes special orders too. So if you have something in your mind that you want, you just tell her, and then she'll send you, or she'll make it, and then she sends it to you.
Yeah, everything I've gotten has just been beautiful. I've not had any. In fact, I keep having people ask me for how to get a hold of her because I've taken it to work and showed it work, the pieces I have, and I'd love to get something similar. So and then say, how do you order? I don't know. I say.
I don't know. My daughter has it.
That's why we made a special video just for this reason, because I get so many questions about her work.
So like this is like a part of it before she put the Peter Rabbit in it, just so you can see the details without the rabbit. So she'll post and show you like the progress that she's making.
Yeah, that looks really nice too.
Yeah. So I mean, again, if you guys are interested in anything like this, you can go and find her over on Facebook. And when you go over, just tell her that Debbie sent you. Alrighty.
Yeah. Maybe we'll get a discount.
No, Mom.
No discounts?
No,
okay. I guess no discounts for Grandma.
So this one is mine. When Mom saw it, she was like, "What? You're keeping that one?" But yes.
It's all right. It's all right. Maybe next year when I get more money, maybe I'll have her order me something for Alice in Wonderland. Because I need to save up my money, and I need to think of how I want it put together too.
Yeah, and you'd want to have yours a little bit different.
Oh yeah. You don't want to have everything the same. Because I try to at least get one or two new pieces every year for Alice in Wonderland. That's in April, guys. If any of you are interested.
And look at the little mushrooms. Aren't they so cute?
Everything's cute on hers.
Now let me show you the. Oh, I don't have mine.
Well, let's stop and see if she can find it.
All right, so I went to her channel, and she uses Sculpey. It's a form of some kind of clay. I still don't know what the name of the type of clay it is, but this is what it looks like. And so it's kind of like hard, and it's a tiny little package, and she runs it through like a pasta machine. You know how like when they make pastas, and that's how she thins the clay out. So it's a lot of work. So it's not easy to make things, but I think it has more detail in it.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah. So I was going to say, this is the difference between her mushroom using that and then mine. This was made out of air dry foam clay. And to me, I think this has a crisper look to it. It just, I don't know. That's just my opinion. But what do you guys think? It doesn't want to sit up by itself. There it goes.
Oh, leave us a comment. But I just can't.
But this is hard. Like, this is just clay. It's lightweight. You can just drop it. You wouldn't want to drop that.
It'd break probably.
Yeah. But again, I feel like this is I don't know, it's just more crisp looking than this. So.
Yeah, I still can't get over how she gets the skirt and the slip and the hair and everything. Just so every little pleat shows.
Yeah, the hair is what I just can't get over. It's so cool looking how she does that. And then, you see there's little hairlines, like little strands of hair in there. So.
And I love how the little face looks, the shade, the shading and everything. It's just beautiful. Now, does she color that to make it with the face with the red cheeks?
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know what she uses, but.
Well, we're going to show a couple more of these beautiful creations. So just sit down with your cup of tea, and they're coming right up.